Alright guys, I'm back. Got a Toyota Rav 4. Gonna be working on this, tearing it down today. Got fucking absolutely smashed. So, we'll just get everything ready. Gonna replace the quarter, I'd assume. So, just gonna take all this off, detrim everything, get all this out. And then, in the next video, hopefully, I'll be doing the quarter panel. And I'll do like a time lapse of that. So, let's get into tearing this down. I'm gonna start in the rear end first. And just work my way up front. And just kind of show you guys how this shit goes, you know? Alright, let's get these side panels off. By the way, copped a little toy today. Put that bitch to work. Have it do something. Spent way too much money on this truck. Got that. Got a hat. You know, you just see it and then you're already there. You're like, I might as well just buy it. But something I probably shouldn't be doing right now. Supposed to be saving my money. But anyways, this side loose. That. The bumper off. And just give it a little pull. And it's a Toyota. Doesn't get much easier than that. There we go. Rear bumper's off. This should just come off. Alright. And tail it. Oh. Oh. Yes. Honestly, reach up in here, find it, grab it, and then disconnect it. Oh my god, I'm a rapper, guys. And just like that, there's your tail light out. Got these little 10mm tug. Just like so. Off as well. This clip here. And then a bunch of adhesive, but obviously gonna order a new one. And like so. Until then, we're done here. Thank you guys. Catch you in the next one.